you're going to get a container, and then you just like container that, and wait for me. Okay, I'm back, so we get the mixed into and some hand soap and put it in your container. Put it in your container. Okay, after it's in your container, you like put a bit of sugar in it. Okay, now we have some sugar in it. Now mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up, okay? So we have it here. Now leave in the fridge for 2 days, okay? Okay, so we put that in the fridge for 1 or 2 days. Then I will check with you. Bye bye. Okay, so please subscribe and leave a like down below and like